I've got a tip number 12, and this is what we're gonna do. I've done it just on a little piece of parchment paper here. This is the type of basket weave, so it's a round tip. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw a line down like this. Okay, it has air bubbles in it. It's not mixed quite well enough. And then what you do is start at the bottom of the cake and you go from here over, then leave a little mark, go over, just so you kind of know how much distance in between to leave. And you go up as far as you can. Then you take this and draw it down here, and then squeeze in here and come over. Okay, and then you just do another one, and then from here. Okay, and then we're going to continue around the cake. So if there's any little gaps, that's why we iced it with that color underneath, so that there are any gaps, then you won't see it. So let me pop it on a turntable. Okay, and then on a round cake, I usually would mark how many lines there are with a cake divider wheel, like evenly all the way around the cake. But on this one, I'm just gonna eyeball it since it's an oval cake. So we start from the top of the cake, and I'm gonna pipe downward, and then starting at the bottom, I'm gonna do the lines going across. Since this bag has a little bit more air in it, I'm just gonna go ahead and still use it. It's gonna be at the back of the cake. If this was actually porcelain, I would probably redo it. It's just because it's been sitting here while we've been doing some other projects. But this isn't going to last that long, and I'll need to put more icing in here anyway. I'll just start right about here. You can start in the middle, but I don't know. I think you tend to see things more in the middle there. So start at the top, and I'm going to squeeze. And as I come down, I'm going to go a little faster and a little bit lighter on my pressure. Just because it's going to end up that we're going to need these thicker at the top because we cut in a little bit. So now at the bottom, we squeeze here and go across, make a little mark, squeeze. Okay, and we'll skip that one. And then we'll do another one coming down. Squeeze a little bit more here. Always make sure you see that your tip, if my tip's not clean, it's making that line in the icing. Okay, make a little mark there, and then we'll come from over here. Okay, so we're going to continue. Now, if you're worried about getting your line straight, you can use a ruler and just kind of every so often make the line like this, and then you can follow that so that you can get straight lines all the way down. Okay, so this is going to take a little while. So here we go.